Hello students, today we will discuss about the phenol. Today we will discuss about the phenol. First, what is phenol? Phenols are the hydroxy derivative of the, write down in your copy. Phenols are hydroxy derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon, hydroxy derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon contain one or more OH group. Phenols are the hydroxy derivative of the aromatic hydrocarbon contain one or more OH group. Phenol is not a compound, but phenol is a group of many compounds in which OH group is directly bonded with the aromatic ring. Like this one, there is a one OH group. In this compound, there are two OH group. It is also phenol. When we write this one, like this one, CS3OH, this is also phenol because OH is directly bonded with the aromatic ring. All the compounds in which OH group hydroxy group is directly bonded to the aromatic ring, all these compounds are called phenol. This is the simplest phenol. Generally we use phenol for only this compounds. This is also phenol. So many compounds are phenol in which OH group is directly bonded with the aromatic hydrocarbon. And this is the simplest hydrocarbon known as the hydroxybenzene. This is hydroxybenzene. And it is the simplest hydrocarbon. And in this chapter, you have to study in detail about the hydroxybenzene. Other compounds are also called phenol, like this one, but in detail you have to study about this one. You have to study how to manufacture this hydroxybenzene, what are the chemical properties of the hydroxybenzene, and generally we use this compound as a phenol. We use the term phenol only for this compound, but that is not correct. All these compounds are phenol. Now we study the preparation of the phenol. Write down the copy heading preparation of the hydroxybenzene, or you can say preparation of the phenol. Preparation of phenol by the diazonium salt. But do you know how diazonium salt is formed? Do you know? No. First of all, aniline. This is aniline. Aniline is treated with nitrous acid at 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin, or you can say it is ice cool. When this is aniline is treated with a nitrous acid, it forms diazonium salt. This is benzene diazonium salt, and this reaction is called diazotization. Formation of benzene diazonium salt from the aniline is called diazotization. This reaction is called diazotization. Formation of benzene diazonium salt, formation of benzene diazonium chloride, correct name is benzene diazonium chloride. Formation of benzene diazonium chloride from the aniline is called diazotization. This is a separate and important reaction. Now benzene diazonium chloride is hydrolyzed in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Hydrolysis is carried out of the benzene disulfide in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. It forms phenol. This forms phenol. And side product is also formed, that is you need not to study about the side product. Aniline undergo diazotization in the presence of nitrous acid at the 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. In degrees Celsius you can say it is 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Question paper, it may be asked in Kelvin or Celsius. Aniline convert into benzene diazoxide salt. Now benzene diazoxide chloride reacts with the dilute sulfuric acid and undergo hydrolysis to form the phenol. In this way, it is a method of preparation of phenol. It is the first method of preparation of phenol. Now we come to the second method. This is the second method of formation of phenol, and very important method, dose process. In this method, chlorobenzene, or you can say any haloalkanes, are converted into phenol. When haloalkanes react with the 10% aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, haloalkanes, or you can say chlorobenzene, famous example of the haloalkane is chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene is treated with 10% aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, then we get sodium phenoxide ion, which reacts with the dilute HCl and hydrolysis takes place, then we get phenol. Reaction of these one, you can write it, there is a chlorobenzene. There is a chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide. It is 10% aqueous solution, and it forms sodium phenoxide. This is sodium phenoxide. This is sodium phenoxide salt. It reacts with the dilute HCl. Since dilute, what is present in more amount, and it forms this is phenol. You need not to write the side product. In organic chemistry, especially aromatic chemistry, you have to write only the main product. There is no need of writing any side product. Side product has been written in this equation that NaCl and water as a side product, and NaCl is a side product here. Now in this way you can get phenol. Now we come to the next method of preparation of phenol, that is from cumene. Next method, write on your copy, method of preparation of phenol from cumene. Heading, note down, from cumene. When benzene reacts with the propane in the presence of H3PO4, it gives cumene. First of all, I am giving how cumene is formed. When benzene reacts with the propane in the presence of H3PO4 to form cumene undergoes oxidation, air oxidation. Cumene undergoes oxidation to form cumene hydroperoxide. Now cumene hydroperoxide reacts with the dilute acid to form phenol and acetone, or you can say propanone. IUPAC name of acetone is propanone. This is again repeating you, benzene reacts with the propene to form cumene. Cumene undergoes oxidation in the presence of to form cumene hydroperoxide, which reacts with the dilute HCl to form phenol and acetone. Now you have to write in the chemical equation. This is you can write in this way or in the statement also. This is benzene reacts with the propene. Benzene reacts with propene, the presence of phosphoric acid to form. This one is cumene. Benzene ring CH3CH. This is cumene. This is cumene. Cumene undergoes air oxidation to form cumene hydroperoxide. This is cumene hydroperoxide. It reacts with a dilute HCl to form phenol, and this is acetone. And this is the latest method. It is the latest method and has been asked in a different examinations, including the competitions also. How cumene is formed, how phenol is formed from the cumene. That is why I have given whole reaction of this prospect.